Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, hi, good morning. Sandhya Vyalay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all. Welcome. Good morning. Are your parents around? If they're not around, please ask them to come in too. Anandita, over to you.
Good morning and a very warm welcome to this masterclass on public speaking conducted by the School of Public Speaking. Let me introduce to you the master trainer of today's session. Manoj Talakart has been a communication coach for the last 20 years and is the founder of the School of Public Speaking. He is the CEO of Flexi Partners, which is a 14-year-old HR consulting firm that is focused on leadership hiring with operations in India, Dubai, Qatar, and Oman. He is the founder of Reflex Training Partners, which is an experiential learning organization that uses theatre as a methodology of training. Manoj is the director of the Bengaluru Schools Education Initiatives and runs one of the largest platforms on schooling and parenting called the Bangalore Schools, with a member strength of more than 52,000 parents. He pioneered the online public speaking workshops during the lockdown, and through these, he has helped close to 500 children and adults overcome their fear of public speaking. The School of Public Speaking was founded with the goal of reaching out to 100,000 children, helping them overcome their fear of public speaking and helping them become confident speakers and thus successful in life. So sit back and enjoy the next 60 minutes of this masterclass on public speaking by Manoj Talakart. Over
Thank
to
you, Anandita. Good morning. A very warm good morning to all of you. Okay, so some of you have joined in alone. So are your parents around? If your parents are around, maybe this is the time to scream out and say, Mama, Papa, please come. We have something going on. Okay, because they want to see this too. So if they're around, do that. Okay. Second, if you're not on camera, come on camera, because I am scared of blank screens. If I look at blank screens, I get a little scared. So if you want to come on camera, I can see you, you can see me, right? Do you want me to go off camera? Because then you will get scared. So I don't want that happening. So come on camera. Let's have, doesn't matter if you've not taken a bath today morning because it is Sunday. I'm perfectly fine with that. Okay. So come on camera and we can see each other. Good?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, the other thing is that, do you want to have some fun today? Yes or no? I can't hear anybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Okay, good. Now, we won't use the chat box at all. If you need to tell me something, unmute and tell me. You know how to unmute and tell, right? All of you.
Yes,
Wonderful.
sir.
Okay. Now, for the parents out here, this is going to be a session for both children and parents. So please sit back and enjoy the next 60 minutes. We are going to walk out with some amazing tips that the children can use. For the parents out here, you will get to know how this can help you or your children become confident speakers. Now, I've been a public speaking coach for the last 20 years of my life. I've been a public speaker for almost 35 years of my life, and I enjoy doing it. Why I enjoy doing it is because I believe that communication is the most important skill every individual must possess. That's going to help them in their life. And that's the reason I do these programs. Okay. So are we ready to start? Boys and girls, are we ready to start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, wonderful. So we have around 50 of us here. I'm sure more people will join in because today is a Sunday and people get up very late and they are just starting to come in. So they will join us later on. Okay. So let us start with what we are going to talk about. Do you know that? Oh, there's something coming up, a surprise coming up. I want you guys to participate, right? I told you that you need to participate. So if you participate, how can you participate? You can participate by answering questions. You can participate by asking questions. You can also participate by being interactive in the session. So if you are interactive, Sandhya auntie who's going to be here and Anandita who's going to be here are going to look up to who's the most interactive people And 3 of the best interactive people are going to walk away with some gift vouchers from School of Public Speaking. Who wants the gift voucher?
Me.
Who wants the gift voucher?
Me, sir.
Oh,
Me.
yeah. We have competition today. Yes, I like it. Yes, me, sir. Okay, so I am going to give out 3 gift vouchers for people who are going to participate well. But for that, you need to be on camera. I need to see you, and also you need to interact. Right, let's start today. Do you know that 75% of the people in the world are afraid of public speaking? Do you know that? 75% of the people are afraid of public speaking.
Why, sir?
That's why. That's what we are going
Right,
to
sir.
find out, right? That's what we are going to find out. 75% of the people are afraid, which means that if you meet 4 people in a day, 3 of them are afraid. Is that a big number?
Yes,
Right?
Yes, sir.
Big number.
Yes,
There are
sir.
more people afraid
Yes,
of
sir.
public speaking than people are afraid of snakes and death. How many of you are afraid of snakes here? Anybody afraid of snakes? Spiders?
Sir, and I am afraid of snakes.
Ma'am, sir, I have not seen any snake, but if I see, I'll get
You
scared.
might get scared. Okay. Now there are more people afraid of public speaking than people are afraid of snakes. Okay. Now, now what is happening? Now, how do I say people are afraid or not? Okay, let me give you an example. If I take one of you to a mall, how many of you like malls? Raise your hands if you like malls. Okay. How many
Sir,
of you
I
like?
like.
Yes,
Sir,
sir,
I
I
like
like.
balls.
How many of you
I
like
like-
ice creams?
Sir, I don't like.
Sir, I love ice
Okay.
cream.
Sir, I don't like it.
Don't like ice cream. Okay. So there are people
I love
who
ice
like.
cream.
Okay, so there are people who like ice cream, right? If I take you in front of an ice cream shop and I tell you, go eat whatever you want from that ice cream shop, a beautiful big Baskin Robbins ice cream shop. I take you there and I say, go eat whatever you want. If you are somebody who's running into that ice cream shop and say, I want that butterscotch, I want that strawberry, I want that vanilla, I want that chocolate, you love ice cream, correct? But if I tell you the same thing and I say, hey, go eat that ice cream, I tell Mahima that Mahima, go and eat that ice cream. And Mahima says, no, because today is Sunday. Mama told me not to eat an ice cream on Sunday. Or you tell me that yesterday I had an ice cream, so I will not eat ice cream for 1 more week. I don't know if you will say that. But if you're somebody who will say, I tell you, Mahima, come on stage and speak, and Mahima comes running into the stage and starts talking, you love public speaking. But if you tell me that today is Sunday, Manoj uncle, and because of Sunday, I don't speak. Mama has told me not to give any speeches on Sunday. Had it been Saturday, I would have come and given you that speech. Or you say, you know what? Morning, no, I had that bad throat pain. And I don't know, my tummy is also aching and my head is also aching a little bit. And even my pinky finger is aching a little bit. So I can't speak. So that's all excuses, right? So if you're somebody who's giving those excuses, you are not happy to give a public speech. And that's what we are going to talk about. So 75% of people give these kind of excuses. Are you somebody who gives that excuse? Or are you somebody who's loving to give a public speech and wants to run into the stage and say,
I want to.
yeah, so
I want to run and give.
Sir, I want to run and give.
I want to run and
run
give.
and give that speech.
I want
Let's
to run
see
and
what happens here, okay? Now, there are people who are afraid of public speaking. And do you know this gentleman? Who is this? Whom do you see on stage?
Mahatma Gandhi ji.
Mahatma Gandhi
Mahatma
ji.
Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi ji.
Mahatma Gandhi ji was afraid of public speaking. Can you believe that?
Really?
Father of
No,
a
sir.
nation who went on to tell the Britishers that get out of this country to non-violence, ahimsa. He told our people that if somebody comes and hits you on your left cheek, show your right cheek. And people did exactly that. Mahatma Gandhi ji was afraid of public speaking. Can you believe that?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
In this
No,
book,
sir.
My Experiments with Truth, Mahatma Gandhi says that he was called to London to give a speech. He was a student. He goes to London to give a speech, and there is a stage where he has to go and give a speech, and he writes down that speech. But when the time came to go and give that speech, he could not get up on stage. He started trembling. His eyes got blurred, and he could not speak. And you know what he finally did? He asked somebody else to come and give that speech for him. Can you believe that? And
No, sir.
Mahatma Gandhi
Why did he even ask that
No, sir.
someone
could
to
not give
tell?
that speech, so he had to ask somebody to tell. And that Mahatma Gandhi ji went on to get independence for India. Right? Now that's
Yes,
the
sir.
power of public speaking. That's how you can overcome. Mahatma Gandhi ji overcame that fear of public speaking. He also talks about incidents where he was in South Africa. He has to go to a court and he could not give that speech. And he was
Right,
afraid.
sir.
And he came out of it because he was afraid of public speaking. People are afraid of public speaking, and that's what happens. That's what happens when people are afraid. So many people, be it be Mahatma Gandhi, be it be Warren Buffett, be it be Swami Vivekananda, all of them have come and said that they were afraid of public speaking. But they were all people who came out of this fear. So the point is, there might be a fear of public speaking. Because of that, you might be facing a lot of issues. But this is something that people can overcome. And this is something that people have overcome, including me. I was afraid of public speaking at one point of time. I came out of it and I became a public speaking coach. So this is something that you can overcome. So let's see what we can do. Now, you asked me this question, right? Why are we afraid of public speaking? Some of you felt that there is no need to be afraid of public speaking, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I asked it.
Yes, sir.
So why are we afraid of public speaking? There are two reasons to this. Right? The first reason is what we call as the subconscious mind. So you may not have heard about it. The elder children will definitely know. Your parents will definitely know. Subconscious mind. Because how many of you, okay, let me give you a very simple example. How many of you have gone and seen a 3D movie in the theater with all the 3D glasses?
Right, sir.
Sir, I have
Right.
gone.
So all of you,
I have saw a movie which is some tiger and all.
oh, okay. So you sit in that movie theater with your 3D glasses and maybe you're watching Avenger movie. And you have this guy Thor who comes with that hammer in his hand.
Yes, sir. I have
So
watched Avenger
he
movie.
throws that hammer and the hammer comes towards you. So what happens to you? You
We
just
get
Yeah, we
scared.
get scared.
Scared.
We
get scared. I bend back and be scared.
Will that hammer hit you by any chance?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
That tiger in Life of Pi jumps on you and then you go back. Why are you doing that?
Sir,
Because we
we
get
are scared.
scared.
Because I get scared, sir.
Exactly what happens on a public speaking stage. People are afraid because in their subconscious mind, there is always this fear which is lying inside. That those people sitting there are the tigers, are the Thanos of the world, and they might want to harm us. So we get afraid and we go back. That's the reason why people are afraid of public speaking. You know what is the second one? How many of you know swimming here? Show me how many of you like swimming.
I love it
Sir,
and
I
I
love
know,
swimming.
sir.
I know how
How
to
it's
swim,
swimming,
sir.
right?
I
So
like swimming.
how did it happen? Day one, somebody took
swimming.
you to the swimming pool. Okay. Somebody took you to the swimming pool. They put you into the water and you started swimming.
No,
No,
Sir,
sir.
a coach
Coach taught us how to swim.
coach taught me, sir.
Sir, a
Okay.
coach taught us how to swim.
No, sir. I made friends. And
You made friends and you learned it slowly, right? You did not learn it one day,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What would have happened on the first day? They put you into the water, you would have drank a lot of water through your mouth, your nose, your ears, your eyes, and you would have come out of that pool and say, Mama, I am not going back again.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it happened to
Yes,
me.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Next day, Mama tells you, I will give you an ice cream, I will give you a chocolate, I will take you for a movie, I will give you a burger if you go back to the pool, and then you go back. What would have happened if you had not gone back to that pool? Would you learn swimming ever?
No, sir.
Correct.
No,
So
sir.
what happens?
No, sir.
What happens is that you started getting experience. When you start getting experience, you start getting confidence. You will not get confidence till the time you get experience. And that is what is very important. In the stage also, you will not get confidence till the time you get experience. And that is what is very important. In the stage also, you will not get confidence till the time you get experience. And that is what is very important. if you're afraid of the first time and you come out of the stage and you don't go back, will you get experience?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
If you don't get
Sir.
experience, will you get confidence?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That is why people are afraid of public speaking. People are afraid of public speaking because one, they don't have the experience. Two, they don't have the confidence. And three, there is a subconscious fear that something is going to happen. And that's why people are afraid.
Okay, sir.
Are there ways to overcome this? We will talk about this as we move on. Okay. So why do you need public speaking? The number one reason that you need public speaking is because communication is the most important way to win people. Do you want to communicate to your friends? Do you want to communicate to your parents? Do you want to communicate to your teachers? Do you want to communicate to other people? Do you want to communicate
Yes,
to
sir.
strangers who never met?
Yes,
That's why you
Yes,
should learn
sir.
it. That's why you should learn it, because unfortunately we don't get too many opportunities in school or other places to learn public speaking. And if you don't learn public speaking in the right way, you will not be able to communicate in the right way.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This can help you in your studies. Interesting? How can public speaking help you in the
Yes,
studies?
sir.
Some of the techniques that we learn in public speaking can help you write exams. It can help you make projects. It can help you make presentations. It can even help you in probably becoming a class leader or a monitor or a school leader. I don't know what you call in that, because in all of that, you need to go out and talk. And that's
Yes,
what
sir.
public speaking is extremely
Yes, sir.
important.
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So some of the seniors are here, some of the senior kids who are here, some of the parents are here. This can help in your career. I've been a career person for 24 years. I worked in many companies, and you know what is the one thing that I've always seen people struggle with? Not being able to communicate, not being able to give a business presentation, not being able to tell people what they have done. So it can help in your career, because if you are a trained public speaker, you can go to any audience, you can go to any stage, you can go in front of any number of people and tell them what you want. Do you want to create a business presentation? Do you want to create a project presentation? You need to
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
this will
Yes,
help
sir.
you to create that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ultimately, what happens? Ultimately, this helps you become successful in life. So what is successful in life? By becoming an influencer. People listen to you. Have you heard about a person called Greta Thunberg or Malala Yousafzai?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
I heard about Malala.
Yes, sir.
I heard of Malala.
Heard about both, sir.
Both, right? So Malala.
I know
Greta,
Malala.
young people. Greta is just 17 years old. Malala is just 21 years old. These are people who are making a difference in the world by speaking. They are not sitting
Yes, sir.
there and sending a WhatsApp message or a Facebook or an Instagram. They're actually going out and speaking. And is the world
Yes,
listening
sir.
to them?
Yes,
The world is listening to them. Malala got a Nobel Peace Prize when she was 14 years old. Greta Thunberg is speaking to the world leaders in United Nations and other parliaments, and the world is listening to her. What is her power? The power of
Communication and
public
Public speaking.
Now, if one of you wants to be like that, you need to learn the skill of public speaking. And that's a skill that we can learn, right? Now, some of you might ask, what are the other benefits? Okay. One of the biggest benefits is it builds you that confidence. If you're somebody who is not very comfortable in going in front of 5 people and talking, 10 people and talking, 100 people and talking, can you talk in front of 1,000 people? Can you talk in front
No,
of
sir.
1,000 people?
No, sir.
No, sir.
We
Will it help you build your confidence?
No, sir.
You learn that when you know that skill, will it help you? Okay, let me ask you an example. We all have these favorite subjects in schools and colleges, right? So one of my favorite subjects in school was history, for example. Okay, and I love history, and I love history. I would have trained in history. I would have studied history very well, and I wait for that history exam to happen. You know why? Because I've learned it so well. I know all the answers. You wake me up at the middle of the night and ask me a question, I will tell you that answer. But my least favorite was math. So do I wait for that math exam?
No,
to
sir.
happen?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
I hope the school says there is no exam. I hope the school says today is a holiday. I hope there is raining so much that I don't have to go to school, but I still have to go to school and write an exam. What is the difference? The difference is I was very confident about history. I am not that confident about math. Why does
Sir,
it
that's because
happen?
you have practiced more history.
Absolutely, because you get that experience by practicing more. If you've prepared it well, you are able to give that kind of benefit. And that's why public speaking helps you build that confidence. Doesn't matter how many people are sitting there. If you've prepared it well, you will get on stage and speak without absolutely any issue. Secondly, it helps you build your relationship. It helps you make more friends. Is it good to have good friends?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
Friends.
Yes, sir.
Helps you build friends.
Yes, sir.
People like you. Why? Because you can talk and you can talk very well. People want to be friends with you. It will give you visibility in school. It will give you visibility in college. It will give you visibility in your office. Why? Because people know you can come and speak well. And that's very important. That's the importance of public speaking. The last, as we said, Greta and Malala, people who change the world. You can be a person who can change the world. How important it is? Very important, because
That's very important.
it can help you become a confident speaker. It can tell, you can help you go and tell the things that you want to tell to any kind of people in the world, and they will listen to you. And that way, it will help you change the world. How many of you want to change the world?
Sir, I want to change the world.
I want to change the world.
Right.
Sir, I want to change the
Sir, I want to change the world.
Sir, I want to
Sir,
change
I
the
want to change
world.
the world.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. So many of you need to be change makers. So where does it start? It starts from being able to talk, being able to communicate. Now, do you remember as smaller children, very little children, if you have a small sibling at home, did we communicate ever? A little baby, 6-month-old baby.
Sir, I have 5-month baby.
Yes, sir.
My sister is a 5-month sister.
You have a 5-month sister. So how does the baby say, I want food? Will it walk up to
He
the kitchen and
starts
say,
crying.
No,
Mama,
sir, he starts
He
crying.
starts crying.
The baby starts crying.
and he starts crying and mama comes running and gives the milk, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Today, can you sit in one corner and cry?
No,
Somebody
sir.
comes with milk for you?
No, sir.
They say, Janani, I know you are hungry. So this is
No,
the-
sir.
No, sir, we'll have to go there and take it.
What if I do it? I sit in one corner and cry. Will somebody come with milk for me?
No, sir.
No, sir.
We have to ask our
Sir, you need
will
to ask or
happen?
you need to go get it.
What will happen if I sit in one corner and cry? People will come, look up and say, hey, this guy is crying, something wrong with him. Call the doctor. But nobody is going to come and why did it change? Because I have the ability to go and say. The 5-month-old baby does not. You have the ability to go
Yes,
and
sir.
say. The 5-month baby did not. Right? So what will you say? Will you say that I want food, or you might say, I want masala dosa? Because you are specific. You can tell exactly what you need. Right?
So I tell I want masala dosa.
If you have got that skill, okay, speaking is a skill, right? You've got the ability to speak. We all have got the ability to speak, which means that we can communicate by words, by sentences, by languages. If you've
Yes,
got
sir.
that ability to speak, would you not want to use it?
Sir, you want to
I
use
would
it.
want to use it, sir.
Right. So no point in having that ability and
Sir, we
keeping it
want to
inside the
use it.
storage.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
that you get a very new dress. Okay? You've got that ability to wear that dress. Will you keep it inside the cupboard? And
No, sir.
Or
No,
would
sir.
Sir, no, sir.
you like that? So if you've got the ability, use that ability, and you need skills to use that ability, and that's what we are going to talk about. Now,
Okay,
do we
sir.
need coaching? Do we need coaching for this?
Sir, we do need coaching.
Some of them say,
Yes,
When
sir,
we
we
have
need
something good, we have to
coaching.
improve on
some
it.
of them say maybe
Sir,
not.
some
And
need
need
coaching, some
coaching,
don't.
Some need coaching and some don't need, because some have
Need
some of you
Some
said
need
that
and some not.
talent.
Everyone needs coaching.
Some of them need coaching, some of them don't need coaching. Some of them are afraid, some of them are not afraid. I said 75% is afraid, which means that 25% is not afraid. Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
there are children who learn swimming the day one. You get them into the pool, they love that pool, they start swimming, right? And there are people who might take weeks and months to get used to the water. Why? Some of them naturally like that pool and they might want to swim there. Some of them may not, right? Let me ask you an example. If
Sir,
you
that
know,
happened to me when I was young.
Madhura, it happened to you when you were young.
I used to nag first for going to the swimming pool as I was quite afraid of water. Then
Okay.
slowly my confidence, and then yeah, I know swimming very well now. I used to
So
take coach.
today, if your parents say, okay, we are going for a vacation for 5 days, what is the first thing that you pack? Your swimming dress,
Yeah.
right? So from being afraid of getting into the water to packing the swimming dress first, do you see the change
Yes.
Sir.
happens?
Sir.
That change happens because you learned it. That's the power of coaching. That's what we're going to talk about. Now, if I make you sit in a cycle and you don't know cycling at all, let's assume that you don't know cycling. I'm putting you on a cycle, making you sit on a cycle, and I'm asking you to go down a road. It's a steep down the road. There are very good chances you might reach the end without falling down because you have your body balance, there is gravity, and because of all of that reasons, you might be able to go down without falling.
Yes,
Will
sir.
you be able to come
Yes,
back
sir.
up the hill without
No.
going cycling?
No,
Will you be
sir.
able
No,
to
sir.
come back?
Yeah, it will be very
Yes.
difficult.
It will be very
Why can't you
difficult.
come up? Why can't you come up?
Sir, because if you're going up the hill, the gravity will pull us back down. So we need force to push up.
Which means that you need to sit on that cycle and cycle, which means that you need to learn
Yes, sir.
cycling.
Yes, sir. You need to
Yes.
have.
Sir, I have
We
a
need to
slope
know
in
how
my
to cycle to go
apartment,
up.
and then when I go down very fast, but when I'm coming up, it is very difficult, and we
Very
have to
difficult.
push our pressure in that.
If you don't know cycling, will you be able to come back up the hill slowly?
No,
No,
sir.
sir, we'll come back down the hill again and we'll fall down.
But you can't come back. So going down is easy. What you need is courage to go down.
Yes.
You
Yes,
need
sir.
to have that courage, saying that okay, I will not fall down. Even if I fall down, I am okay. But to come up, courage will not help you. To come up the hill, you need to know how to cycle, and that's
Yes,
what
sir.
is important. And that is why coaching is extremely important. And that's a coaching that people need to take. I have had children who have been part of TED Talks. I've been part of children who have given speeches in TED Talks and various other competitions. And they have come to attend this workshop and they've said that we have benefited from it. Because why, they were always going down the slope. It is very easy to go down the slope. It's very difficult to come back up. Only if you
Yes,
have
sir.
the skill, only if you get coached, will you be able to come back up the slope. And that's the
Sir,
power.
once my
Yes.
father just let me cycle, and then in the middle I couldn't go front, so I just fell down.
You fell down and then you would have probably pushed yourself up, right? So
Yes,
that's why
sir.
you need coaching. Okay. Now, what we are going to do through this program, and this is for the parents out here, this is for the elder children out here. You can look at what we are going to do in 5 days. For the younger ones, it is 4 days. For the elder ones, it is 5 days. In 5 days, we will coach you and we will bring that transformation in you. How are we going to do it? Very simple steps. Number one, we'll help you overcome the fear of stage. That's very important because if you overcome
Yes,
the
sir.
fear of stage, you will be able to come and give a good speech. Now, 75% of the people who are afraid, we will help you overcome your stage fear. Very simple tips, very easy tips that will help you ensure that you overcome that fear. The second step that we follow is to help you prepare speeches. How many of you like cakes here? How many of you like cake?
Sir,
I
I
like,
like
I
it.
like, I
I
like.
love cake.
Can
Sir, I
anybody
like
like
I love cake. Sir,
Can somebody
I
tell
love
me
cakes.
how long does it take
I like
for you to
baking
eat a
cakes
piece
also.
of a cake? How long does it take for you to eat a piece of a cake?
Sir, hardly 1 minute.
Sir, very short time, sir.
Sir, very short
1
time.
minute, 2 minutes maybe. Can you bake a cake in 1 minute or 2 minutes?
No,
Oh,
sir.
sir. Take more time.
It'll take 1 hour.
It'll take 1 hour, sir.
Right?
1 hour, 2 hours.
Take an hour to bake.
Okay.
Giving a speech, my dear friends, is like eating the cake. It takes the least amount of time. What takes time is creating that cake, which is preparing that cake takes time. Preparing a speech takes time. So we will go through how you can prepare that cake, how you can prepare that speech so that you will be able to deliver those spectacular speeches. How many of you like a cake which is very tasty?
Sir, I like.
Sir, I
it.
like
I love a cake which is very
Cake has to be tasty. Right?
I
What
love
happens with the cake? The person who's baking that cake forgets to put sugar and instead put salt in that cake.
That looks horrible.
Will you be able to eat
very horrible.
instead of baking it in the,
Horrible.
instead of putting it in the oven, instead of putting it in the oven for half an hour, they put it in the oven for 1 hour. It becomes like a brick. Will you be able
Sir,
to
it'll
eat
become
that?
burnt.
No, sir.
Oh, sir.
Absolutely. So it's very important that the cake is baked well so that you can eat it and it looks tasty, it tastes tasty, right? So that's
Yes,
what we're
sir.
going to do. And last but not the least, we are going to talk about creating that presence on stage. You go up on stage and you look fantastic. You go up on that stage and people say, wow, okay? And then they clap looking at how you're going to give that speech. We will tell you how you can be on that stage and give those speeches. The 4-step process, very simple, and we will not take that. This is a crash course. This is where we help people overcome their fear of public speaking and become confident speakers in just 5 days, right? Now, let me give you a very interesting example. Okay, some of these guys who are here, whom I can see probably are in school, high school, college. Anybody who's in that age group? The slightly higher ones, high school, college kind of people.
Sir,
Right, some
I
of
am
you,
in
right? Some
4th
of you. So
standard.
you will have to go for an interview, right? At some point of time, some of you will have to go for an interview for a admission to a college, or some of you will have to go for an interview for a job or anything. Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Ankur?
Sir, I have to ask something. If you will end, you will tell me.
Sorry?
Sir, if you end, you will tell me. I have to ask something.
Sure. We'll have the question and answer session at the end of it. Okay. Now, one of the biggest challenges for people to do is to introduce themselves, and that is something that we'll have to always do, right? People ask us,
Yes, sir.
introduce
Yes,
yourself.
sir.
And you know what I've heard? I've heard people introducing themselves for so many years because I run a recruitment company and I hear people introduce themselves. 90% of the people cannot introduce themselves right because they start introducing like this. My name is Manoj. I am from Bangalore. Bangalore is a beautiful place. Bangalore has lakes. Bangalore has trees. Bangalore has gardens. What am I talking about? Bangalore?
You're talking
Bangalore,
about
not about ourselves. We're talking
Bangalore.
about
I talk
Bangalore.
about myself.
Giving the description of
Is it
Bangalore.
important that I talk about myself? Is it important that I tell about things that we want to do? Guys who are going for interviews, the next slide is very important for you. You might want to take it down. This is a tip that I want to give you through this workshop. This is extremely important if you're ever going to attend an interview in a college, in a school, in a job, anywhere. How do you give a self-introduction? Okay. Parents out here, it might be helpful for you also. Take a note of this. A very simple 3-step introduction. That's all it takes. If you master this step, you will be able to give an outstanding introduction. Parents, elder children here, this is for you. Coming up, the first thing that you do is to tell about who are you. Who you are. You talk about your name and the relevant details. You need to know what relevant details, because you need to know where you are going. Are you going for a college for an interview? Are you going for a job interview? Depending on that, your details will change, right?
Okay,
if you're
sir.
going for a college interview, you might want to say where you are from, what you've done, which college you come from, which city do you come from, etc. Okay. But if you are going for a job interview, these details might change. So I would want to say, my name is Manoj. I am so and so years old. this is what I have done, etc. So that's the first step. The relevant details depends on what interview are you in or who is asking you for that introduction.
Yes.
Okay. Number two, what are you? Now, what are you? What are you is not saying that, okay, I wear spectacles, I have long hair. No, that is not what you are. What are you is what are my hobbies? What do I do when I have free time? No, don't go and say that, okay, I sit in front of Netflix. That's not a hobby, right? So what are you? Your passion, what are the things that you do? I love reading. I love cycling. I love trekking. Those are passion. Those are hobbies. I am a trained musician. What are your achievements? I've been a school leader. I've been a class monitor. I have won first place in my classical music or light music or Western music, anything. Those are all achievements that you want to talk about. So this is the second part.
Sir, I have won an Asian Book of Record.
Wow, Asian Book of Records. That's an achievement that you want to talk about, right? Or do you want to say that Bangalore is a beautiful city? No, you don't want to say that. You want to say that I have won an Asian Book of Record. What is the next thing that you say? The third step, the simple step is why you? Why is it you and nobody else? Now, a college might ask you, why should we have you? And there you say, what are your ambitions? And why
So what
are
is
you
an
the best fit
ambition?
for that? Ambition is what you want to do. I want to be an astronaut. I want to be a pilot. I want to be a policeman. I want to be a doctor. I want to be an engineer. I don't know what you want to be. I want to be a chef, right? So if you're going for a interview in a hotel, would you say I want to be a pilot, so I've come for an interview, or would you say that I want to be a chef and that's why I'm here? And what kind of a chef? I want to be the best chef in the world and that's why I'm here. Correct?
Sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If you're going for an interview for a science course, you want to say that, okay, I want to be a scientist. I want to be an astronaut. I want to be a fighter pilot. And I want to learn science because of that. So this is a 3-step simple process. Guys, follow this. And this will do magic. And we go much in depth when we are doing this program as a public speaking program. We go much more in depth into this. So if you want to know more about it, you need to come to me. We do the 3-step process. Who are you? What are you? And why you? That's a small tip from my side today for you.
Sir, what's
Now-
your fitment?
Sorry?
Sir, what's your
Fitment is why are you there? So for example, if you're going for an interview in a hotel management college or something, okay? What is your fitment? You can say that, okay, I've been cooking from the age I was 5 years old. I have
Okay, sir.
done this kind of a course. I've created these kind of cuisines. That's your fitment. You are a perfect fitment for that, right? What if you go and say that, okay, I run every day morning. Is that a fitment for that, or is it a fitment for a sports school?
Sir, it's a
Sports
fitment for
school.
sports.
Sports,
What my fitment?
sports school.
That's fitment as simple as that. Okay. Now the
Okay.
journey in a public speaking program is from good,
Huh?
great to spectacular.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, why am I saying this? The first thing is that every single person in this room can speak. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Every,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
every single person in this room can also sing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I can speak. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Some
Yes,
people
sir.
who don't speak, they learn, they talk it in actions.
So if you cannot, if you are somebody who doesn't sing, you still sing in a shower, you still sing when your online classes are going on, you still sing when you're eating something, you still sing when you're bathing, when you're sleeping, you sing, right? But are you a singer?
No, sir.
No,
You're a
sir.
singer.
No, sir.
What do you do to become a singer? You get trained to become a singer.
Yes,
You
sir.
get coached to become a singer. Similarly, everybody can speak. You're all speaking now.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
a speaker? Are you a speaker?
No, sir.
For you to become a
No,
speaker,
sir.
you need to get coached. You need trained. Now, all of you are good speakers today. That's the easiest way. All of you are good speakers.
Yes, sir.
Now, how do you become great? You become great when you learn the 6 steps to great speeches. Very simple method of 6 steps. You understand that 6 steps, you become a great speaker. But how many of you want to be spectacular speakers?
Sir, I want to be a
I want to be a
Spectacular
What
speaker.
is a
Somebody say,
spectacular
wow, this
speaker?
person is too good. Now that's
Sir,
a
what
5-day
is a
program. Become a
spectacular
spectacular
speaker?
speaker. Spectacular is outstanding, out of the world speaker.
Yeah.
Sir, I want to be.
So
Sir, and I want to be.
if you just want to be a good speaker, then everybody can speak. Don't worry about it. If you want to be a great speaker, then I will teach you the 6 steps. If you want to be a spectacular speaker, then it is 6 days, 5 days of this program. I will give you a small tip. Another small tip. I gave you one tip of introduction, right? I'm going to give you another tip. From the 6 steps, I'm going to give you one tip, which is the most common mistake people make. Okay. I gave you the example of my introduction. How did I
Yes,
start?
sir.
My name is Manoj.
Sir.
I live in Bangalore. Bangalore is a beautiful place. Bangalore is a beautiful climate. Bangalore has got beautiful weather, lakes, trees, parks, metro train, traffic. I talk about Bangalore. Is
Yes,
that
sir.
what you want to hear? You want
But
to
the,
No, sir,
but
we
the
want to hear
teacher
about
asked,
yourself.
Right.
but
So
the
the difference
teacher
here is,
asked that who are you?
okay. Now, how many of you know this terminology called global warming?
Me.
Sir, I know.
Sir, I know.
If I want you to
Sir.
give me a speech on global warming, what will all you say?
Sir, can
Who
you please?
wants to unmute and
The
tell me?
global
Sir, global warming is
Global warming.
warming is the increase of temperature in the Earth's surface.
Okay, that is increase of temperature. Then you will say
it is
ozone
happening because
layer,
of the excessive release of smoke from factories, vehicles, and all.
smoke from factories and all that stuff.
have-
Climate
How
change.
to stop,
Sir,
how to
global warming is
reduce
the heating
global
of the
To
earth.
warming.
stop polluting the. You have to stop polluting the air.
You will have to stop polluting the air. Then you will say about
And what precautions are needed?
okay, would you say about
Many animals are dying because of this.
people are dying? Okay, would you say about say ozone layer, Arctic ice?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. Will not say all
Not
that.
all of that stuff. You know what? Can you give a speech about global warming in 5 minutes or 30 minutes? Is it a big thing to talk about?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That will take
No,
hardly a
sir.
minute.
Topic, sir.
The difference is global warming, my dear friends, is a subject. What do you want to talk about in global warming? That's the topic. So the differentiation is between a subject and a topic.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
If
sir.
you don't understand the
Yes,
topic,
sir.
how do you understand the topic? You
Yes.
understand the topic when you ask questions. And that's a 6-step process that we teach you. Then you will be able to understand exactly the topic. Now, why am I talking about me? Somebody says, Manoj, tell me about yourself. I need to know why am I doing it. Will I say the same thing if I'm talking to you or to an interview or to another friend or to somebody senior? Will I say the same thing? Or
No,
will it
sir.
be different every time?
No, sir.
I will
It's a
be
different every time.
every time because then I will know the topic. Manoj is only the subject. The introduction is a topic. And the introduction becomes a topic when I know why I should talk about it. So this is something that we are going to cover in in-depth detail. The 6 steps, including the subject and the topic part. That's going to be very interesting. Okay. Now, the other thing we're going to cover a lot, I spoke to you about the story about cooking, right? The baking and cooking part of it, right? Takes only 1 minute, half a minute, 2 minutes to eat that cake, but it takes hours. Now, if you want to like a biryani, you can eat a biryani in 15 minutes, right? Can you cook a biryani in 15 minutes?
No,
Not
sir.
at all.
Take hours together, 12 hours,
No,
24
sir.
hours to cook a tasty biryani. And that's what crafting is all about. You know what crafting is? Preparing that speech. Because if you give a perfect speech, people love it. And people clap for you. People say, wow, that's a great speech that you've given. And that crafting is what we need to learn. Because anybody can give a speech. Only a person who knows crafting can give a spectacular speech. And that's what we're going to talk about here. Now, why this program? Number one, I've been doing this for 20 years. Okay. And I love doing this. And I love doing this. And I try to help as many people as possible, as many children as possible to overcome their fear of public speaking. I work on small batches. We are around 50, 60 people today, but my batch is only 10. Every batch is only 10 students so that I can work with each of you and help you become a spectacular speaker. Okay. How many of you like to learn by fun? Were you having
I
fun
like.
today? Are you
Sir, I
having
like.
Learn by fun, sir.
I love to
having-
learn.
I love to learn by fun.
Are you
Yes,
having
sir.
some fun today?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I love to teach by fun. Otherwise, it becomes very, very boring for everybody. So it's fun. And you will hear this term when everybody, parents, go back to my testimonial videos and you will see it that everybody talks about one thing, and that is fun. Fun is something that
Yes,
we
sir.
love having, and that's a fun learning.
Yes,
None
sir.
of my programs are recorded. I don't send you WhatsApp videos. I don't send you YouTube videos. I teach you on a daily basis. I spend 90 minutes each day with each batch to help you do that. And I'm the only one doing it, nobody else in my team. I ensure that there is an individual development to the person. I've heard stories about people not wanting to come to the program for waking up the next day morning with an alarm and jumping into the program 15 minutes early. I change habits of people. I help you fall in love with what you're doing. We work on daily assignments. Is it interesting that we work on a daily assignment, a small little speech that we create, and we give that speech the next day, and the group works together on that speech, and they say, this is good, this is what we need to improve. We work as a group with a daily assignment. Every day there is something happening in there. Okay. Now, what else? So the journey so far, I've covered 39 batches, 450 plus kids in the workshop. Only during lockdown, 39 batches and 450 children. And look at where these people came from. They've come from the UK, US, England, Germany, Indonesia, Singapore. Some of these batches might have children from various places. I'm very sure there are people in this workshop also from various parts of the world. So that's what happens in these workshops.
Sir, you even teach people outside India?
Yes, we all come together in the same batch and then we learn it together. So there are children from so many countries who have become part of the program. So you might be there and somebody else from US or UK might be there in that batch. You will enjoy working with them. What else?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what are the success stories of these batches? Number one, people have gone and won talk shows. They won talk shows. Okay, won competitions after listening to what we do, did that, and they've won talk shows. There are people who have gone ahead and cracked tough interviews which they could not crack. They've gone ahead and cracked those interviews. Some of them are hosting talk shows. Can you believe that? Who came in here 5 days of program, today they're going and hosting their own talk shows. They're anchoring programs. How? Because there is a step-by-step methodology we teach them, and with them they are able to give that. They're able to create YouTube channels. Some of those YouTube channels are really doing well. And they did not have a YouTube channel before they came for the program. They came for the program, they learned how to give a speech, they learned the methodology of it. They've gone ahead and created YouTube channels which people are watching today. And as I said,
Yes, sir.
some amazing habit changes. You will love coming here because there's going to be a lot of fun and we are going to learn a lot of things together. Public speaking is a communication skill that every child must. It's a coachable skill that every child can be coached to achieve.
Sir,
And the earlier that you learn it, the better. Because
sir,
yes,
there is one comedian. He started he started making jokes from his childhood, and now he has gone to stages and won a lot of prizes.
yeah. So
Okay.
if you start early, then you can do a lot of things together, right? You can win a lot of prizes. You can do a lot of stages. A lot of things is possible. So that's why you should be there. Now, what else? Now, if your parents are around, I want them to watch this. Okay? Why wait?
Yes, sir.
Because this is something that I'm going to announce now. A special offer only for this group. Okay? And this I want you to share with your parents because this
Okay,
is going
sir.
to be there only for the next 40 minutes. This closes at 12:30. So any of you who want to join this program, anybody who wants to join this program, let me see. Okay, if you want to join, then you need to tell your parents that I want to join for this program. and I'm going to share a link on the chat box, and that link will be there only till 12:30. So if any of you want to join, please give that link to your parents. I will keep the chat box open till 12:30, and that link will be available, and you can
Sir,
find that.
sir, how long is this course?
The course, depending on the age group, if you're in the age group of 8 to 12, it is only 4 days. If you're in the age group of 12 to 18 or you're an adult, it is for 5 days. It's at 7 o'clock in the evening, and Sandhya, Anandita will be sharing that link. Sandhya, just give me a second, please. So these are the links that are going to come up. What is the special offer? So if you are an 8 to 12 years child, parents, please listen to me here. This is what I want you to listen. If you're an 8 to 12-year-old child, the normal price for this program is 2,000 rupees. But today, anybody who has attended today gets it at a special price, which is this 1499. The link has been shared in the chat box. Parents, you can look at that link, and if you want to take that opportunity, please take it. It is only limited seats. It's only available till 12:30 today, and this offer will be off after 12:30.
Sir, what are all the days which the program is going to be?
Multiple dates are there, Nikhil, and the next one is coming up soon. That is there on the website. You can look at it, but we have programs continuously. If you take this, it is available for you for the next program also. Okay. Now, 12 to 18-year-old children, we have a special offer which is normally at 3,000 rupees. But if you're taking it today, for anybody who has attended it today, there is a special offer of 2,499. So these are amazing offers that is available only for today till 12:30. Anandita, if you can just share both the links. Yes, she has shared both the links on the chat box. So share it with your parents. They can take this up. And now I open up for the questions. These are my contact numbers. To answer a question that Nikhil just asked, multiple batches are happening, and you can register it right now, and we will allocate you a batch according to your convenience. There are batches starting on 4th of February onwards. Multiple batches are going on. There are batches which are going regularly. These are my contact details. Feel free to reach me. You had questions. I open it for questions at this point of time. We have 10 more minutes of question answer session. Anybody wants to ask a question?
Sir, how many hours
Sir, I have to
how
ask
many hours per day?
This is 90 minutes each day, and each batch starts at 7 o'clock. We end it sharp by 8:30 at the best. Between 8:15 and 8:30 we will end, depending on the batch, but it is 90 minutes because I don't think your brain can hold more than 90 minutes.
Yes,
And your
sir.
tummy cannot hold for 90 minutes. So you feel hungry after 90 minutes. You need to go and eat.
So it will be on Zoom only, online.
It's always on. It's on Zoom. It's on Zoom. It's an online class on Zoom. Yes,
Sir,
Mahim.
I have something.
Okay, sir, thank you.
That for 8 to 12 years, the batch is, how many hours will the batch be for 8 to 12 years?
8 to 12 years is 4 days of batch, and it is typically between 60 to 90 minutes each.
Sir, I am
7
8
o'clock
to
in the
12
evening.
years.
Sorry, Janani.
I am 8 to 12 years.
Yes, you can join that batch. Please join that batch. Wonderful. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mridul, have you raised your hand? Somebody has raised the hand. Is there any question that you have? Yes.
Sir, for school speeches, what treatments do we need?
School speeches, what?
School interview, what treatments do we need?
You need to know how to put yourself, right? You need to know how to introduce yourself. So any interview for that matter, they will ask you, okay, tell me about yourself. Introduce yourself. So you need to know how you can introduce. And that's what is being trained there.
Sir, but what if I'm not able to join the Feb 4th batch? Is there any other batch which I can join?
There will be more batches coming up, but those batches will not be in that offer. So what we have is you can block your slot, and I will allocate you to a batch which is convenient for you. There are multiple batches coming up there.
Okay, sir.
So take that offer now, and then we will allocate you a batch which is coming up.
Sir, I have to ask something.
Yes, please.
Okay, sir.
Manoj,
Sai Karthik, you have a question. You have been asking for some time. Yes, go ahead.
Sir, I'm 6 years old.
6 years is too early, so we will wait for 2 more years, Sai. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
But if you have a cousin, if you have a brother, if you have a sister who wants to join, let them join. 6 years is too early. So we will wait for 2 years and I'll wait for you to come.
All right, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. But ma'am, if there is anybody in your family or somebody whom you think can benefit out
I'll
of this,
just check with them. If anyone is really interested, I'm sure that I'll put them to your classes. I'm
Sure,
really
thank you so
impressed
much.
with your
Thank you
way
so
of
much.
teaching.
Thank you so much.
Sir,
Madhura, I can see you raising your hand. Is there a question?
I have quite like something like a doubt. I'm not getting it like when there are many people and you need to speak in front. How do you be loose and confident to speak like that?
That's what we train you, because that's what I said, fear of public speaking. So when there are people in front of you, some people are not,
Yeah.
they don't have the courage. So there is a technique that you can overcome that with. And that technique is being taught in this program. You will learn that and you will be able to come and give a speech.
Yeah, and almost every month in the school we used to have like a topic given and we needed to create 2 to 3 minute speeches and just present it in front of other students' parents.
Okay.
So I think and I've quite won prizes in that, but
Okay.
I'm not very sure of how to do the actions and
that we will teach you. That's the training all about. That's what the program is all about, because we will help you overcome that fear and become confident.
yes.
Don't worry about it. Ankur, you had a question. Yes, Ankur.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am recently pursuing CA.
Okay.
Okay, sir. After intermediate examination, I have to choose between tax or audit.
Okay.
Okay, sir. I have introvert feeling.
Okay.
So in the tax, we have the official work. So we don't have to travel so much. But when I choose audit, I have to travel so much, even outside the country.
And you'll have to speak to a lot of people.
Yes, sir. So I have some fear. I have some introvert feeling. So I will choose audit or tax.
What do you like to do? Audit or tax?
Sir, I want to join audit because to remove my introvert feeling and to improve my.
Thing to do. That's an easier thing to do, because we can help you overcome your fear.
Yes.
And become a confident speaker, and then you can pursue the career in audit itself. Don't change your career.
Sir, I want to join audit because I want to remove my introvert feeling.
But that you need to get coached.
Yes.
Just like how you get coached for a CA thing.
Yes.
You get coached under a chartered accountant, or you go to the institute
Yes,
and
sir.
get coached.
Yes.
Similarly, to overcome that fear of being an introvert or not being able to speak, you need to get coached.
Sir,
You have to wait for them to.
So I'll help you ensure that you overcome that fear and become a speaker. So then you can pursue your course in audit itself without any.
So sir, I want to join audit because to remove my introvert feeling. It
By
is right or
joining audit-
not?
By joining audit, you will not overcome your fear.
Yes,
You
sir.
need to get a coaching for overcoming your fear so that you can pursue audit.
sir,
Okay, sir.
There is no training in audit to overcome a fear, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So that's what we teach you. That's where we will help you.
Okay, sir.
Dhruv,
Thank you.
Dhruv, can I go to you, Dhruv? Yes.
sir, in summer vacation, do you take these sessions?
Summer vacation closes will come. The batches have not been announced. We are waiting for the vacation to start and the dates to come up.
Yes, sir.
Keep an eye on the website that is there in that screen, and you will see all the details in that website coming up.
Sir,
Yes, Nikhil.
sir, I've already done the payments for the 8 to 12 batch.
Okay, thank you so much, Nikhil. Wonderful. Wonderful.
Yes,
I'll
thank
come back to you and I'll connect back to you.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Thank you. Radul, yes.
What time is for 10 years, sir?
7 o'clock in the evening. Every day it is at 7 o'clock in the evening. The next batch starts on the 4th of February, so you can join for that batch. It is at 7 o'clock. So click on that link and ask your dad or mom to join that batch. And we will start at 7 in the evening.
Sir, today?
No, it starts on 4th of Feb. The batch starts on 4th of Feb. But that special offer that I told you, it is available only till 12:30. So if you want to take that offer, please join on this. So thank you so much for Nikhil Acharya. I've got confirmation from you. I've got a confirmation from Kushagra Pandey for the for the communication. More are coming in, so there are very few seats available. So if you want to take it, please take it quickly. Yes. Any other questions?
No, sir, I don't have.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how many are there in a batch?
10. Only 10 in a batch.
Okay, sir.
I have a question.
Sir, I don't have a doubt.
Okay.
I have a question.
Yes, please go ahead.
So I come under the 12 to 18 year. Actually, I'm elder than 18 years old. So is that okay if I?
How old are you? 18 plus?
Yeah, I'm 18 plus.
Okay, so we have a separate batch, which is an adult batch.
Okay.
Just you can take down my contact details in that. You can put me a WhatsApp message on that, and I'll give you the details of the next batch coming up. Okay.
Hello, sir. Can I?
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
I'm sorry, someone had unmuted. Okay, I just want to. Okay, how am I supposed to get your contact number?
There in the screen. Can you see the screen there?
Yeah. Okay, fine.
My contact number and details are there in that. You just get in touch with me, and I'll help you with the next batch.
Okay, sure. Thank you, sir.
There is a batch starting on the 15th.
Bye, sir.
I'll have to check.
Bye, sir.
So I have a question.
Hi, sir.
One second. I think Sakshi is no.
Yes, sir.
Sakshi.
Yes.
Yeah, Sakshi is asking something. Yes.
Yeah, sir, after 5 days ka course, after that, sir, will you be in touch with us for mentorship? Like, will you again for
A
any
lot of them
other?
are in touch because they keep telling me, how do I know that somebody has done a YouTube channel or any of that? So they keep in touch and then we help each other. There is no one-to-one mentoring that happens, but there are a lot of other connects that we do, ensuring that we are in touch with each other.
Okay, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you, sir.
It's a long program. It doesn't get over with 5 days. We'll be in touch and we'll try to help you as much as possible. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Yes. Who else is asking?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Gauri.
Can we leave the call?
Yes, please. Yeah. If you don't have any other questions, please. Yes.
Thank you, sir. I don't have any doubt.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank
Just
you.
another half an hour for that thing to end. So anybody joining in, please ensure you are joining in. Tell your parents to do that.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes. Yes. Najwa. Yes. Najwa. Yes.
Okay. So I entered very late. So it was like 11:57. So I couldn't attend this.
Oh, okay.
So do you have free
I
workshops
will
again?
share the. This is being streamed live on the School of Public Speaking page. So if you want to catch up there, you can always do that. Sandhya, do we have the link here by any chance?
I will share the link.
I have not checked the email. That's what. It's coming through email, right?
Yeah. Okay. So I will do one thing. I'll be sending the link on the mail itself.
Okay.
The whole.
Do you have the links again?
I've shared the link of the School of Public Speaking. The video is also available there. Najwa.
Oh, okay. I will check out.
Okay. So thank you so much for everybody who has turned in there, and thank you so much for people who have watched.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Look forward to connecting with all of you soon. Thank you so much. And this offer is available for the people who are watching in Facebook also. So I will share the link there. It is available only till 12:30. Yes, Mahima, you have a question.
Sir, for how many days is the batch is going to happen?
How old are you, Mahima?
Sir?
How old are you? Which batch? 8 to 12?
Yes, sir. 8 to 12.
It's for 4 days.
Okay,
4
sir.
days, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th of February, 7 o'clock in the evening every day.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Done. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks, Sandhya. Thanks, Anantita. Thank you all for being here. I will share the link on the Facebook group also. Sandhya, would you be posting it there, please? Thank you. We'll log out. Thank you so much.
Sir, do you have paid workshops? So can you share information on paid workshops?
So these are what we shared just now is a